I just had a battle with my cat about who gets to keep this dishcloth. This is a crochet dishcloth which I just finished, and it's popular with cats. It's also a very nice gift, or you can keep it for yourself. Great beginner's project. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know in terms of stitches if you want to make one. It's also a free pattern, which I will link to in the description. This would make a great gift for Christmas. It will only take you a couple of nights with great movies and simple crocheting, very relaxing to make one. So yeah, stick around and I will show you. For this project we're going to be using one ball of yarn and a 2.5mm hook. We're going to start by making a slip knot. Then we're going to make a long chain, which is any multiple of 6 plus 4 additional chains. So this depends on how many shells you want in your pattern. And for each shell you're going to do a repeat of 5 double crochets and 1 single crochet. So basically you only need to know 3 types of stitches for this project. How to do a chain, which I'm showing you right now, and then how to do double crochet and single crochet. Now that you have your chain, you're ready to start your first row. So first we're going to chain another 3. This will be instead of a first double crochet. And then you're going to do a double crochet in the 4th stitch from your hook. So yarn over, pull through your yarn over again, pull through the first 2 loops, do another yarn over, and then pull through the remaining 2 loops. And there's your first double crochet. Then you repeat this, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first loops, yarn over, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now you're going to skip 2 stitches and do a single crochet in the 3rd stitch. And there's your first half shell. Next you skip 2 stitches and you do a double crochet in the 3rd stitch. So you pick up your yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And then you continue to do double crochets in the same stitch until you have 5 double crochets in this stitch. This is your 3rd double crochet. Your 4th double crochet. So to complete this shell, once you have 5, you skip 2 stitches and then you do a single crochet in the 3rd stitch. And then you just repeat this pattern until you reach the end of the chain. You make 5 double crochets in 1 stitch. once you reach the end of the first row, you finish off your 5 double crochets, and then you will put a single crochet right at the end of the chain. And then you have completed your first row. To start the second row, you do exactly the same as on the first row. You start with a chain 3, and then you will do a double crochet in the 4th stitch from your hook. Make sure when you put your hook in the stitch that you are putting it underneath both of the little yarn legs in the V. And when you've done the second double crochet, you're going to skip 2 stitches, and then you put a single crochet in the 3rd stitch. Then you continue, you skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch you start your first double crochet. So this will be in the single crochet from the last row. And you will make 5 double crochets in this stitch, and then you will have your second shell on this row. And then 1 more double crochet to complete this shell. Skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch you make a single crochet to finish this shell off. Okay, Kat came by and made an inspection, and she told me to take a break. So I will come back later and show you some more progress. Oh, I really love how this shell pattern is starting to take shape. So I think I'm almost done now. I'm going to continue until I have a square shape. And of course the number of rows will depend on how wide you made it to start with. It's looking good, and I think I will definitely be making this in more colors. The only thing you need to do now to finish it off is to pull through the thread, cut it off, and then fasten the ends. And you will have your very own homemade dishcloth.